Welcome to the Rollerball Garage, everyone. I recently received a package from Tom at the Black Bear Hiker channel. Tom's a good friend and a great guy, so he sent me some things, and let's open up the package and see what Tom sent. Here we go. Yesterday, the UPS man brought me a surprise. I was completely unexpected package from Tom at the Black Bear Hiker channel. I suspect a lot of you already know Tom, but if you don't, you should. Tom's a really interesting guy, very nice fellow, Navy veteran, and accomplished wood carver. Please check out his channel, because he does a lot of really interesting things and has a nice shop. He's turned his garage into a really nice shop. So I've already looked in here. I'm going to unpack this stuff and lay it out rather than go through the unpacking while you're watching. Let me lay it out for you and we'll go through it. Before we get started, I want to show you something that Tom made for me some time back. Here's my garage mascot, Arby. One of the viewers named Arby for me, and I think the name is very appropriate. RB Rollerball. And then Tom later made a toolbox for Arby. So this is I think really cool, and he's sitting up here in one of my display boxes. He gives me advice on restorations from time to time. First, Tom sent me a very nice note, which I read off camera, and I really appreciate that, Tom. Tom is when he was in the Navy, he was I'm not sure his exact job, but I know it had something to do with electronics, because Tom and I are both very interested in electronics, and I'm an licensed amateur radio operator, as some of the other guys are, I'm sure. I know Scoutcrafter is. Scoutcrafter is a licensed ham. But anyway, Tom sent along these vintage QST magazine. QST is the amateur radio magazine. Here's one from April of 1943. Very interesting, from the wartime era. This was from before I was born, about a year before I was born. October 1948. I have a few from this period, so these will go right into the collection. These things are fascinating. About the technology back in those days. Very nice. United States Naval Reserve. So, thank you very much, Tom, for those. I appreciate those, and I'm gonna, as time permits, I'm gonna read them. Next, we have this. I have not opened this yet, so, wow. A set of Z-Lite, Meguiar, PS88 driver. Isn't this interesting? torque amplifier. TA2 torque amplifier. And there's a set of screwdrivers in here. This looks like pretty good. This looks like quality stuff. And you can put the handle on there and amplify the torque, as it says. Very nice. I'm not going to do a thing to these. I mean, these are... I don't know. Maybe put some PlastX on there or something, but thank you so much, Tom. That's a really nice little set there. And looked like they're in new condition. I'm not sure these have any wear on them at all. Okay. Here is a Yankee Handyman push drill. Wow. Looks like all the bits are there. Man, that's nice. Look at that little flat blade screwdriver. Uh-oh. Let me get that. Man, that's unusual to find one of these with all the bits. There's a drill. Well, I'm not going to take them all out for now, but another drill. I believe this will clean up very nicely. Seems to work fine. So, there's that. Here's a fuller dial a bit. Is that what it says? This is similar to that Craftsman that I did recently, where the bits are in here, and I'll have to... I can't tell if there are any bits in there or not. Looks like there are. There's one. You turn the cap around. To the one you want, and it should come out of there. Well, I'll have to play with this a little bit, but there we go. Oh, yeah. And let's see how they go in there. I'm not sure. There we go. Unscrews. Very nice. Good condition. Just needs a little cleanup. And look at this item here. This is very interesting, I think. It says DuraClear. Got some bits here. And a flexible shaft. Now that is pretty cool. The tip is magnetic, so it'll stay right in there. I'm not sure exactly how it works yet, but I'll find out. This is a very interesting item here. And then there's some like a rotating magazine-like thing here for sockets. I'm not sure what would go in this part. Maybe more bits. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's a very interesting tool. I've never seen one of these before. Have any of you guys seen one like this? Unlock, lock. Oh, here we go. Yeah. All right. Okay, I'll have to work with this a little bit, but anyway, I think it's a very kind of unique and interesting item. So let me know if any of you guys have seen anything like that. I intend to clean these up, and I suspect that these will be in a future video. Especially this one. I've never seen one like that before. And the radio magazines, I'm really glad to get those. So Tom, my friend, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And please, everyone, go check out Tom's channel. It's called Black Bear Hiker. And he's an interesting fellow, very nice guy. Check him out. Thanks, Tom. That's all I'm going to do to these things. They look great. I think they're brand new. These are really nice. Those are some really neat items that Tom sent, and some of those we'll be seeing in future videos, I'm sure. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, everyone. Please leave me a comment, and we will see you next time. Bye now.